Welcome, anatomy students, for the spinal cord in a vertebra model. And here is the model that we are going to go through together. So here is a vertebra, contains the spinal cord in here. And because the vertebra's body area is here, that's why this area is the anterior, and the spinosus process is the dorsal part of the vertebra. It will be important for figuring out those structures in the spinal cord. The spinal cord, as well as how it is in the brain, covered by meninges, connective tissue that serves as a protection for the nervous system. The outermost layer is, this is the layer all around, is the dura mater, that is very tough connective tissue. Superficial to it is the epidural space containing blood vessels as well as fatty tissue. This is where the epidural injection goes. Under the dura, there's another line. This will be the arachnoid mater, is the very thin layer of space, and this is called the subdural space. We have the arachnoid mater. This is the spider web mater. It really forms a spider webby stuff between the arachnoid mater and the pia mater. Under the arachnoid mater is the subarachnoid space all around. What else? Here is around the spinal cord, very attached to the spinal cord is the pia mater. This is outer cover around this. This is, but it's the innermost, very fine type of protection. Good, we talked about the mater and the spaces. Let's talk about the spinal cord, and before that, go to the ventral and the dorsal. Ventral, this will be the 17, and the dorsal 18, root of spinal nerves. We have the dorsal root ganglion, and here. In the spinal cord, we distinguish the gray matter and the white matter. The white matter is divided up into columns, funiculi. Funiculus are containing axons with myelin sheath, and we distinguish the dorsal funiculi, the dorsal, sorry, this is the dorsal, the ventral funiculi, the dorsal funiculi, and the lateral funiculus. So again, dorsal funiculus, ventral funiculus, and lateral funiculus. All three of them, the ventral, lateral, and dorsal, altogether they are funiculi, many of them. Same in here, the dorsal, ventral, and lateral. The gray matter is inside, in here has horns, and we distinguish between anterior horns. Pay attention that this is not in our model key. It's not ventral, but anterior. Lateral and posterior gray horns. The horns, the two sides are connected by the gray commissure, and in the middle, we have the central canal in the gray matter that contains the cerebrospinal fluid too. I think that's basically it about this model. And I hope that this model going through together would help your learning. Have a good one, guys.